Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to HubSpot for CRM integration in app workflows, full guide step by step clearly. Click on the Get Started Free button to create a new account. Fill in the required information, including your email address and password. Once your account is created, verify your email by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Log in to your new HubSpot account. In the dashboard, navigate to the top right corner and click on your profile picture. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. In the left sidebar, find and click on Integrations. Choose the Apps section to explore available integrations. Search for the app you want to connect with HubSpot. Select the app and click on Connect App. Follow the prompts to authenticate the connection between the app and HubSpot. Once authenticated, customize the integration settings as needed. Save your settings to ensure the integration is active. To create a workflow, go back to the main dashboard. Click on Automation in the top menu bar. Choose Workflows from the drop-down options. Click on the Create Workflow button to start a new workflow. Select the type of workflow you need, based on your goals. Follow the on-screen instructions to build your workflow steps. Ensure that the app integration you set up is included in the workflow actions. Review your workflow for accuracy before activating it. Once satisfied, click Turn On to activate your workflow. Your HubSpot CRM integration for app workflows is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.